So today I'm gonna show you how to control data flow in make.com. It's pretty simple and easy. First of all, we have this loaded Google Sheet which have 4 columns: name, job, location, and age. And we have this empty sheet which has name, job, location. So our goal is to fill the empty sheet with the name, job, and location of the person which is over 18. So it's pretty simple and easy. We go to make.com. This is the loaded sheet. Okay, click save, and this is the empty sheet. As you can see, click save. We have to set a filter label, for example, uh, over 18. The condition is the age must be greater than or equal to 18. Click save. For the name, we'll be getting the name from the Google Sheet, the job, the location. Boom. Before we run the scenario, we just have to make sure that we have some variables under 18. Let's say 15, and here let's say 8. So let's run the scenario. As you can see, from 5 we got only 3. Let's see the sheet. Bob, Ashley, and Anna, they are the only one over 18, so they automatically got transferred. What about the others? The others stayed in the filter. As you can see, bundle 2 and bundle 4 got rejected because they are under 18. This is a pretty easy and simple example, guys, for you to understand. And that's it. See you guys in the next video.